Hi, this is Epic Trainer Michelle Alvis. Today, I will show you how to schedule an e-visit. E-visits are virtual visits that enable you to message back and forth with your physician. These are offered for your convenience and to save you time by providing care through the MyBCH patient portal. An e-visit can replace a clinic appointment or certain urgent care visits. You won't need to wait for an appointment or leave the comfort of your home. E-visits should be used only for non-urgent medical conditions, and it may take up to 2 business days to receive a response. If you need urgent medical care, please contact your clinic by phone or find a nearby urgent care center. For medical emergencies, call 911 immediately. I'm logged in to the MyBCH patient portal. On the right, under Quick Links, click Schedule an Appointment. On the Schedule an Appointment page, click E-Visit. You will need to read the e-visit terms and conditions and select Accept or Decline to move forward. After accepting, choose a reason for the e-visit and select the physician you would like to communicate with. I'll choose cough and a recipient of my PCP. And next. You'll have the opportunity to review your health issues, medications, and allergies. Indicate that the information is correct and click Next to move to the next screen. The questionnaire will prompt you to answer as many questions as possible about your symptoms. If you see a red asterisk, that is a required field. I'll say that this is a new cough. It's been going on for a few days, and it includes some new shortness of breath. I can no longer comfortably climb a flight of stairs. No other symptoms, low fever, dry cough. Continue filling out the questionnaire. If you need to enter any details about an earlier diagnosis or treatment, you can tell your story here. Add more information if you need to for your physicians. Otherwise, just click Next. You can review and edit your responses in the answer summary. If everything looks accurate, click Next and submit the e-visit. The clinic will get back to you in less than 2 business days. If you do not receive a response, or if your symptoms get worse, please call your clinic. Thank you for watching.